So yesterday I had the pleasure of sitting down to talk to one of our patients who underwent 2 hip replacements with us in the last 4 months. And here's what he said. Thanks so much for taking some time, taking a few minutes to talk to me today. Tell everybody a little bit about you and kind of what brought you into our office.
Well, what brought me into the office first, um, I'm I'm a fireman, so having my body at least working properly, is the biggest part of the job, I guess you could say. So, but what happened was in time, right around in the last 5 years, my body started to break down, starting with my back, and then from my back, compensation went to the knees, or not to the knees, to the hips, and so what happened was my back had gotten so bad that I was essentially decrepit. I could walk and barely walk more than probably 30 yards. So what brought me in was um, my my back was bad, but the doctor, that the neurosurgeon for my back, recommended I get to come see Dr. Goff about getting my hips looked at, and thank God he did, because it was part of the biggest. It was the biggest change in my life so far. I went from being defeated and miserable and really just kind of a dark place to I have a new life. So it's so happy. I'm so happy. Um, so with that, he did the right hip first, and then I had the fusion, and then they did my left hip after that, all within about 4 months.
Yeah.
So, and it's been the biggest change in my life. It's changed my demeanor, my outlook on life. I've I don't even feel I have hope. I just have goals now. So that's how far I think in just the short amount of time that it's been that I've come. So I mean, I couldn't be happier.
Good.
Yeah.